Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, a couple clarifications. Number one, I'm trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. And then second, I'm trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which one am I using? You can find all that at the link at the top of your screen there. Also put it in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your own capital at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value to you, then definitely make sure to check that out. So I will go ahead and pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. I am going to look for a pullback here. So nice uptrend. So trying to play the trend, but I don't want to chase the trend. So we'll see if I can get some kind of pullback or not down there to that green line. So I'll keep a close eye on things, and we'll see if we can get any kind of movement down there. Pull back a little bit here. Coming down. Can it fill me? I'm in. And out there for $670. Very good. Suppose coulda, shoulda, woulda gotten more in hindsight, but I'll take that. Nice opening trade there. Another trade if it decides it wants to return back up. In fact, I am going to try a buy right there. If this thing wants to come all the way back up, and take that as a sign as maybe you want to continue with the trend. That green line turns blue. I am in. Close. I'm in. And out there, very good. Now up $1,300. And just like that, two trades. I think both were less than 5 seconds. But like I said, futures are pretty cool. Coming from a guy, and if you followed my YouTube channel over the years, you know that I've done very little follow through on that. So I'm glad I got out how I did. I'm glad I just stuck with the little scalpy scalp there. Well, now it's starting to come back up. But yeah, I would have thought there would have been a better chance of getting a little bit more push through. But like I said, I just wanted to err on the side of caution. But yeah, looking like that might have been the best way to go about it. But anyways, what I was saying is, as a former day trader of options and stocks, I will say futures are amazing, especially when you sprinkle in the whole fact of futures through a prop firm, just because of the risk management component of prop firms. So with that, I think I'm going to go ahead and just call this good. I mean, $1,300, 2 trades. They both happened very quickly in terms of setups, and then the trades themselves both lasted in combination, I think, less than 10 seconds. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and call it good. Before I go, though, real quick, just want to invite you to sign up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you're a beginner trader, maybe you're not a beginner, but you're just struggling, then definitely get signed up for it. Very confident you'll find value in it. If you are a battle-hardened veteran with a bulletproof strategy, then you are welcome to attend, but I'm not quite sure you'll walk away with anything of value. You might, but my confidence level is way higher if you're in the category of either a beginner trader or somebody that is just struggling in your journey. So in those situations, like I said, definitely get signed up. Go to claytrader.com/live, or just check out the link in the description area to learn when the next live class is. So thanks for hanging out. Make sure you hit that like button. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.